Cue the music. If you're the type of dentist who likes to complicate your procedures and prefers inconsistent results, this video is not for you. I'll give you a moment to shut me off. Time's up. Now, if you're the type of dentist who looks for smart ways to simplify your procedures and yield reliable results, let's talk. Right there's good. Like most dentists, your typical day in the office is filled with restoration after restoration. And with all those restorations, a proper, dependable, and easy-to-use dental adhesive is undeniably important. But just how simple can a dental adhesive get without compromising all of its necessary features? The answer? Very. Here at BISCO, we've spent over 30 years developing and perfecting our most advanced dental adhesive yet. Unlike other adhesives that require a two-bottle system, or even worse, an activator that's sold separately, BISCO has found a way to unify its adhesive into a single bottle with the world's first truly universal light-cured dental adhesive. Alpine Universal's versatility, or universatility, works with all total etch, selective etch, and self-etch procedures. It's compatible with light-cured, dual-cured, and self-cured cements, composites, and buildups, along with all substrates, direct or indirect, and all with virtually no post-op sensitivity. But that's not all. Extensive testing has proven Alpine Universal produces remarkable bonding results, thanks to its hydrophobic formula containing MDP monomers. Still sound too good to be true? All this power comes from its carefully designed formula, and all it takes is just one little drop. Lights, please. And all it takes is just one little drop.
Okay, now the glow and the swipe. Alpine Universal. Truly simple, truly universal. Alpine Universal does not create holographic images, transport you to other galaxies, or produce any other sparkling effects, although it may feel like you have magic powers when using it.